Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum with a phenomenal drop yesterday out of our range here to the downside. The triangle broke out into the desired, into the expected direction, and we reached and actually broke slightly below our target around 1660. So does that mean that Ethereum is finished with its downtrend? No, because we currently have no indication that it is, and it can always extend out further. What I wanted to show you, I can't remember if I showed you in the last video, but we have an ascending trend line here. I think we talked about that in the previous video. An ascending trend line, and price is now pulled back to that trend line. What I can of course not confirm is that this is going to stop here, this overall downtrend or correction. But we are actually in a support area, in a Fib support area, Fibonacci support area, and we're pulling back to a trend line. So let's see. I mean, we see, yeah, we're nearly there. I mean, I could probably draw the trend line in a way that we have already reached it and touched it. So let's just do that. I think it just sits on there right now. Yeah, it does. So this is going to be, I was watching that, but yeah, also here, it's pretty much there. So it's going to be interesting, but I wouldn't pay too much attention to the trend line. What I find more important is just to watch price action and the relevant resistances, Fibonacci support and resistance levels. Yeah, retracements basically. The wave count currently still would suggest here another low in a wave 5. Ultimately probably targeting now around about 1540, near the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. I cannot rule out that an overall low of this wave 2 is already in, but I would still expect another low, which means that any bounce that happens would first be counted as a fourth wave. Today, I already provided on Discord and Telegram resistance for the wave 4, but it hasn't started yet, this pullback. Standard resistance here for the wave 4 would be between 1736 and 1771. So ideally, we're looking for that pullback into that region and then a reaction to the downside. It's not only Fibonacci resistance, it is also, well, first of all, it's this standard resistance level for the fourth wave, but then also the 50% Fibonacci retracement level is going to act as resistance. And here, this price action here that has been occurring between the 10th of June and 14th of June. So structural resistance as well. So I'm looking forward to a possible bounce because Ether is also pretty much oversold. Actually on the daily RSI, much lower than Bitcoin. So if we take a look at that, the RSI on the daily is actually now in the oversold region already, but price is above the 10th of March, which is pretty bullish. But obviously we first need to see a turnaround to really benefit from that. It will keep dropping, you know, and as long as we don't have a signal. Now the idea on the micro level, already shared with you earlier today that one more tiny low would be likely here. I think it made that one more low, but currently the move to the upside here looks corrective, so I cannot rule out that we get one more tiny low here in wave 5 of C of 3. Yes, I know there's always another low. Now in the bull market there will hopefully always be another high. So we've got something like this here, 1, 2, 3. What I cannot rule out is that this fourth wave is maybe unfolding as a triangle or a flat pattern, okay? So A, B, and the C wave unfolding now, or even an Elliott wave triangle, which would unfold as a 5-wave move, A, B, C, D, E, and then down. But this is really, really micro counting, so don't think that is too reliable. What I will do, I will update you obviously as soon as possible as I spot a possible low in place here. Very first and early, but it would be a super early signal that a low is in place here, would be a break above 1655. And if it does it from here and rallies, then it should reach this area, and then we need to see if we react to the 1771 level. If we don't, yeah, and it turns to be an impulsive move up, then it could very much be that Ether has already completed its overall low here today, but we'll see. I will keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.